Hello my friends, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you some other things. Remember that the basic structure of a C program language, we have remember your program is going to interact with so very many things. It's going to interact with the numbers, letters and words. So in C programming language, it understands letters as a different thing. It understands words as a different thing. It understands capital letters as a different thing and small letters as a different thing. That is the part of the C programming language. So in each thing that you are going to write inside your code here, it must be, you must tell C what is this thing. Okay, for example, if you want to write a whole number, you cannot just come here and type 1. No, it won't understand. You must have to declare it as int. This is a short term of the word integer. Then you can say, after you have declared the integer, you can give that integer as number. We give the integer a name. So this meaning number, it's going to contain values which are integers. Integers mean that there are only whole numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this integer num, after I have declared it, can come here and say printf num is %d. I shall tell you what the %d is. Then you come here, you can say num. So this is our program. We have declared the num as an integer. So this num, let us assign it a value of 1, like that. Then we call it to be printed. Let us compile. Okay, there is a return expected here. So it is expected there's a semicolon there. So let us compile our program. You see there is no any error, and then run it. So we see our program said that num is 1. So what if I say that num is 1.2456 blah blah blah? Let us write it. First compile, then we run. We see that our program still gives us that num is 1. Why? Because we have declared it as an integer. So integer means it is only a whole number, no decimal point. So what if we want to declare num as decimal point? You know, in a C programming, 1.0 and 1 are two different things. See? So you first have to tell C what is it. See, the num is 1, despite I've written here that num is 1.0. So what do? I have to declare it as float. Okay, float, like that. Float means this is a data container, a declaration value that this num here is going to contain a decimal point. So for float, we use %f here, %d for integer, then float %f. Then we shall compile like that. Then let us run. We see now it had bring number is 1.000. This is after I have declared the num as what? Integer. So keep that in mind. Decimal point number and whole number are treated differently in a C programming language. If you want to declare a decimal point number, like for example, let us declare here int num2, because this is num1. Let's say num2 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. Okay, then terminate it. Then come here, just simply copy this and come here. Then I've just pressed Ctrl V. It's % what? It's % num2, like that. So let me say this is %d, and then here I put a slash n to move on a new line. Then let us compile. I'm told there is an error. You can see here we have generated an error that in the main function the slash in programming language is not understood, so this slash haven't been understood, so I've put it in a wrong place. Supposed to put it here like that. Then compile, then run it. Good, you can see that num is this and then num is this, so keep that in mind. If you want to use decimal point, use the float. If you want to use whole number, use the int. This can be as well as -1. Yeah, can be as well as -1 like that. Good, you can see it is still a whole number. So I'm done to deal with the number. Next, I'm going to show you how to declare characters, letters of A, B, C, D, and to declare words. How to write words if you want to declare a word, let's say a name of a person. Thank you. Follow me up in the next lesson.